Hey guys, Rhett here, Section 8 guy, down here in beautiful Turks and Caicos. A little nicer than our normal video background, isn't it? That's what I was thinking too. I want you guys to be able to go on long vacations to beautiful places while your investments still work for you, all right? We can get there. That's why I'm kicking off something we have never done before. To start off 2022, I'm gonna be offering a free 15-minute consultation to go over your goals and aspirations. It's gonna be called a strategy meeting, all right? Monday, January 3rd. The link is below. Book your time. They're gonna fill up quick, all right? It's completely free. We'll see if I'll be, if I'm a good coaching fit for you. If not, it's 15 minutes. Bring your questions, comments, thoughts, whatever you want. One-on-one, completely free. The link's below. Let's get you guys locked in for 2022. Let's get those goals lined up. Let's get a strategy and a plan lined up. And if we end up working together, we end up working together. If we don't, we don't. It's fine. Let's get this thing going. Let's get you guys into this position right here. All right? Hopefully I'll see you again Monday, January 3rd. Sign up in the link below. I can't wait to see you guys.